channel! Hola mga kamaster! I am Master Kukay Matafat. For this video guys, come on and join me. Let's play puzzle. Because I do believe in a saying that be patient. Just like a puzzle, it takes time for all the pieces of your life to come together. So without any further ado guys, let's get it on!
It is written and illustrated by Ichiro Oda. This story follows the adventures of Monkey D. Luffy, a boy whose body gained the properties of rubber after unintentionally eating a devil fruit. With his pirate crew, the Straw Hat Pirates, Luffy explored the Grand Line in search of the world's ultimate treasure, known as the One Piece, in order to become the next king of the pirates.